Hello, math humans. We're going to do C4 today. We're going to be writing equations of lines. Our objectives are that we're going to write the equation of a line in y equals mx plus b form. That's not a 6, it's a b. Then pull all the pieces together from our other C sections. So we're just going to start right in with our first example. So this one says write the equation of a line with slope of 3 and then passing through the point 0, 4. Okay? So remember that we're going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. Okay? They gave us the slope and they gave us that it passes through a point. The cool thing to notice about this point is that it is the y-intercept because it's 0, 4. So b is going to equal 4, and our slope is 3. So now it's pretty simple to write the equation. So I write is equal to 3 times x plus 4. When I do math, I tend to write the naked equation, something that doesn't have the numbers substituted in, because if I see this, I tend to make less mistakes as I fill in the information into the equation that I need to write. Okay? Example number 2 is going to say, write the equation of a line with slope of a negative 2/5 and passing through the point, okay, and this one is going to be 0, negative 7. So again, I'm going to use my cool formula, y equals mx plus b. Okay, put my paper up. And then I know that my slope is a negative 2/5. Again, look at the point. They gave me the y-intercept for the point, which was very polite, because this is 0, so that means the negative 7 is the y-intercept. So b is a negative 7. So when I write the equation, all I have to do is fill in what I know. Y is equal to a negative 2/5 times x minus 7, and I'm all done. That was really pretty handy. Okay. Our third example wants to write the equation of a line given a different situation of a line given the graph. So instead of having numerical information this time, they're going to give us the graph. And in your book, your graphs, or when we do the worksheets, your picture is going to look much better, so you'll just have to bear with me on mine. So in this one, I have a y-intercept of a negative 3. I have an x-intercept of 3, and so there's going to be the equation of the line. So I know if I have y equals mx plus b, I know that the y-intercept is a negative 3. Now on the pictures and the worksheet that you're going to have, you can count spaces and determine the slope. We're actually going to do it from these 2 points. So remember, this point is 0, negative 3. This one is 3, 0. I'll call this one the 2's and this one the 1's. So my slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's 0 minus a minus 3 over 3 minus 0. A minus is a plus, so this is 3 divided by 3, so it's 1. So then when I write my equation, y is equal to 1 times x minus 3, and I would rewrite it and leave the 1 out because it's understood, and so then that would be my equation. So it really is a nice, easy way to write a line when they've given you the information. And if you have to calculate the slope, that's okay. You know how to do that. I label my points 1 and 2 just so I don't make silly math mistakes. So the last thing I want to do is just to kind of summarize our concept from C. Okay? So we know that an increasing function is going to have a positive slope. Okay? And remember that increasing means as the x values get bigger, the y values also get bigger. Okay? All right? A decreasing function is going to have a negative slope, and that means as the x values get bigger, the y values are going to get smaller. Okay? If a function is constant, that means that the y values don't change, and so then that means that it's going to be a horizontal line and the slope is equal to 0. Okay? A vertical intercept is the same thing as a y-intercept, and I don't care which word you use. I typically use this one, but this is what's going to appear on your worksheets. And then we know in that case that x is equal to 0. And for the horizontal intercept, your horizontal variable is x, so this is the x-intercept, and that means that y is equal to 0. So if I need to find points, I can let this happen, and then I can solve for whatever variable I need to. My slope is represented by m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, and this is our slope-intercept form of a line. In that, you can't see it, sorry, my bad. So in this particular case, m is your slope, and the b is going to be your y-intercept. And those are the topics that we've covered in Section C. Alrighty, that's it for today. I will see you soon.